Hey y'all, hey. So this is, hey y'all, this sun is killing me. Let me get outside for y'all. Because if my friends think that I'm finna provide the car, the gas, and drive, they got me fucked up, okay? That's not finna happen. So we getting ready to go to, damn, I got a brain fart. Sugar Factory in Miami at their little Christmas Winter Wonderland pop-up. I don't know what these cars doing, but the sun is definitely sunning, okay? But the skin is skinning. I see the skin, okay? Well, what keyboard?
She right here.
Oh.
What she said?
What you said? Mine's broke. Mine's had Merry Christmas on it, but it broke off.
You broke it? Oh.
It had Merry Christmas like right here, so that's all I got. That's all I got.
That's all I got.
What happened? Let me see.
What?
Period. Ooh, bitch. Okay. Yeah.
Golly.
Well, alrighty then.
Let us know then.
Sun's out, buns out.
We got stuff.
So who driving? You want to drive? Hey. Thank you. Look, not me getting. Not me sitting on the passenger side. Oh, that's some pickles, some popcorn if y'all hungry, some Casamigos, and some margarita mix. So I don't see my light. I don't know where my light at. Oh. I don't need it right now for my phone.
Oh.
Damn.
I forgot.
Huh?
Should have brought my perfume.
What? You talking about you?
I got perfume though.
Huh?
I got perfume.
Oh shit.
No, I
I was gonna tote a little purse like that, but I
Is the cup
just
holder back there?
in the middle. Now I don't know if it's dirty. You know how kids is. Okay, y'all. I forgot to get Nisha. You know, she got the shing ding ding ding. Excuse me.
I was like whistling and everything.
I had it on the CD from Rich that I had him make me.
I got an app called Music something, and it's on there.
Oh, for real? It's probably on SoundCloud too, I'm sure. Where you from? Throw it up. Hey. Hey.
I know you niggas hate me.
Hate me? The bitch money make me? Man, my niggas cut. Hold on, y'all. The back seat is not back seating, okay? They are acting very lame, okay?
What we supposed to be doing?
Turn the
We are.
period.
What did she say?
What they want me to do?
Talking about the GPS.
Onto Michigan Avenue.
Gotcha, girl.
It's the back seat. They just don't do right. Oh my God, so cute. So cute. Glory. That place, that last place we went to. That was Kiva. That was not me.
At the Glory?
Oh, my earring keep falling out. My back don't fit. So, y'all, let me tell y'all about our experience. They can't see. At Sugar Factory. Okay, first of all, it took forever for us to get a waitress.
You gotta say the exact location. Where we
We're at Sugar Factory on Alton Road on Miami Beach, Florida. Okay. Took forever for us to get a waitress. The hostess sat us and took our order because the waitress was nowhere to be found. So once we got the waitress, we had already ordered our food and drinks. We got the appetizers because we only ordered appetizers. They started coming in like little by little. We had done ate all these appetizers and still don't have no drinks. And then when the waitress went over to ask the bartender about our drinks, he seemed like he was getting slick. Now I don't know if he seemed like he was getting slick, wasn't he?
But he was the only bartender though.
Okay.
That's what he was mad about.
But people was getting drinks that came after us.
I don't know, because I saw her also in confrontation with someone else, so maybe it's just her.
Oh.
Well, she seemed...
She was cool, but she was tired of
She's probably aggravated because
all that
people. Yeah, she losing
like
money.
you said, they messing with her money. So, we didn't get the Christmas experience. Oh, okay. So I ordered the Jack Frost sliders and everything that we were supposed to have. I put a picture so y'all can see versus what we actually got. I wanted the Jack Frost sliders, which was pretty much cut up chicken tenders on slider buns, and the buns was blue. They ran out of blue buns. They brought me brown buns, but one of them looked like he had a booger.
I'm so done with y'all.
What's that?
Wow.
What's that?
We could have put a candy cane, I think.
It's like a booger on it. It's green.
Pickle?
That ain't no damn pickle, bitch.
What was it? Did you ever discover what it was? Was it guacamole?
You said mold. I said it looked like a booger. Didn't it look like a booger?
It was a pickle.
How could a pickle do that?
Anything green.
Right. I don't know. I said it was a booger on there. I could be wrong. But it was something green. And then we were supposed to get the Christmas nachos. They said they didn't even tell us that they ran out of the Christmas colored nachos. They just brought us out regular nachos with like 6 of the Christmas colors on there.
We got one red item.
Then
we didn't even get no ice. You talking about
what else? What you were supposed to have?
We had went to the
Nisha wanted the Christmas sliders. They didn't have the green and red buns.
The spot in Lauderdale.
And then what else? What was the other issue, y'all?
Everything. Shit, we was thirsty. We didn't get the Santa experience. We didn't get the food was coming out slowly but surely. They had to do the count for them little sliders. Like we was waiting on sliders, right? Like we wasn't even waiting on no medium rare burgers. We was waiting on sliders. Y'all didn't have the buns, but I just saw someone else order these sliders that did get the holiday bun.
But they said they ran out of buns, so that means y'all don't have any. Not y'all don't have certain ones. So now I'm feeling like, okay, the white people got the Christmas bun. So are y'all saving the stuff for the white people? I don't know, because they came well after us. They was sitting outside well after us. Okay, we had reservations. So it is not a reservation issue or anything like that.
I have one for her.
Okay. Tell my friend.
Yep.
Who said that?
Big old cup. Y'all know I got this cup from Target. My friend said that.
You still got ice, Keisha?
I got a Yeti.
No, she got a Yeti, so she's good.
Me too. I have a Yeti too.
Yetis hold ice. You didn't know?
You never did have ice.
Nisha never had any.
They say Stanley do too.
Yeah, I got a Stanley. I actually just Stanley might.
Stanley?
Can I get one?
I think Stanley might be better than Yeti. My earring fell out
First
again.
of all, this is the type of way because since I've been in this car, no one has offered me ice. And I'm just feeling a little type of way.
My earring fell out again.
Girl, let it go.
You want ice in the first place.
Because y'all kept, when they initially...
Don't worry about it.
That's it?
You feel it in?
I don't know. I guess I'll find it when I stand up. Target count your days, okay? And they was cute too. My little earrings. They look like Nisha
Let me see. Was they the Christmas earrings?
They look like Christmas bowls.
I found
like they look just like Nisha shirt.
I found them on my thing.
Which from your present?
Oh, you put them on that, girl? I thought that bitch had a brooch. Girl, I thought it was a brooch.
Yeah.
I was looking for a brooch.
So when I looked, it was these two little things. So I was like,
It was from the present I gave you.
Hey, I know it's locked.
Oh, hey.
Girl, because we just sitting here having a whole...
Y'all is terrible. I don't know what y'all got going on.
He's been trying to teach me how to use Snapchat.
How you got it on and I got it on? So y'all, after all of that, we ended up here at Flanigan's getting some food. After all those restaurants we passed. Thank you.
What's his name?
Lester.
Girl, I ain't know it was Lester.
I heard it too.
Really?
I said it too.
We're done here. We're at the end of our road.
Mine sounds so bad.
Right, we finally ate. Finally. Now we're gonna go home. Where the deers and the antelopes play.
Dun, dun,
Where
dun,
seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are all cloudy all day.
Okay, you know the word.